Okay, you don't expect too much.
No, it's one at a time. Then the one you're used to, they combine. So they have delivery, they have postnatal, everything is inside that. But we have different rooms.
How many delivery? Just one.
One at a time. One delivery at a time. Move the person.
Once you finish.
Yes.
You have the postnatal.
So we separate it.
Next to the other.
Come out.
The other side.
No, it doesn't go out that way.
Let's go. Let's go. Move.
I'm sure this will give the health facility provides free services
Hey,
for everyone that has health.
Are you okay?
Today we are here to flag off the enrollment of basic health for children. Today being the day that this health center was commissioned, providing geographical access for the people of London, we thought that with your kind approval, we should also add the financial access, so that when they come, they don't need to pay. And so, Your Excellency, we want to say thank you for graciously permitting and approving that the River State Community Health Protection Program be implemented, and so Rivers people can indeed access healthcare without having to pay at the point of service. And all of our vulnerable population, the pregnant women, those living with disability, the aged, and children under 5 years can walk into this health center, show their card, and be attended to free of charge. So, Your Excellency, we would like for you to be enrolled because people need to know that you are championing this and the flagging of the enrollment of our people. Today we are starting at Londoni, but in the days to come, we go around the 319 wards of the 23 local government areas of Rivers State.
So what I'm saying here, we didn't make any mistake in ensuring that health insurance program commenced in our state. With this, those families that cannot afford expensive health care service outside of the privilege of this free service is not important. But it will come for me to also add that while we are doing this, we should not be taken for granted. We should use proper funds that will be